Pawar Public School, Chandivali, to Farm Studio. I would love to know how was your experience, ma'am?
Yes, it was a wonderful experience. I think especially for children from cities where they live in this concrete jungle. It's a wonderful experience. Most of our children do not know how a guava tree looks like, or they have never seen a mulberry tree. They don't even know that caterpillars thrive on this mulberry trees. So highlight of this entire trip is the final part, I guess so?
Yes,
the
yes.
trading part, ma'am?
The trading part, and also the hands-on experience. They
Yeah.
could actually dig and sow the seed, and actually they could do it on their own. That was
We had really a wonderful experience. The kids enjoyed a lot, and at the same time they have experience and hand-on experience on what they have been taught in classes regarding the drafting and the soiling and air like cultivation and all what have been done and what we were learning there.
We are from Parle Tilak Vidyalaya ICSE, located in Ville Parle East, Mumbai.
It was very fascinating, not only a learning process for the students but also for the teachers. The different zones we visited were truly educational.
So it was a hands-on experience, learning experience for our children.
We are taking a lot of memories from here, rather a great deal of learning which we are going to put it into practice at our respective homes.
Our experience was very good. Basically, children have learned a lot about farming, soilless farming and hybrid and grafting, everything, and basically it was a wonderful educational tour.
And we will definitely recommend it to other schools as well.
Use of technology to its best in terms of agriculture is something that shows that how agriculture has progressed over a period of time. So I recommend most of you to come here with your students because it's a great learning for students, getting the essence of our farming, not just with the very olden age but with new technology. It can do wonders and we can preserve nature as well. Thank you.
I think to sum up, I will say the last one, trading, was the best. When children earned money from each and every concept, and then they came and they bought the vegetables, they were very, very happy. We could see that they were so excited when they bought the vegetables.
It was very good, and the explanation about microgreens and how to actually plant these microgreens and the nutrients that we get from the microgreens was very well explained, and children got a hands-on demonstration also how to do these things.
Wonderful. We are all absolute nature lovers. Wonderful place to explore, and more about it was more of learning. We got to know a lot of things which even we did not know earlier. So wonderful place. I would recommend all of you all to keep visiting, and I'm planning to visit again with my family and friends.